How to refund items on Aliexpress. Now, in order to refund items on Aliexpress, you just simply need to open the website of aliexpress.com or open the mobile app of Aliexpress. And after opening either of those, you just simply need to go to your account page from the bottom right corner. And after going in there, you are going to see a bunch of options, and one of them is help centers. Tap to help center, and after going in there, you are going to see the refund progress under the popular solutions. Tap to refund progress, and if you have any of the products, orders or purchased from this page, you are going to see all of your orders in here. You just simply need to select the item which you would like to refund. And one thing that you should know before trying to refund anything, that none of the product most of the time refunds your money completely. It's either 40, 50, 60, 70 or any of the given percentage of the amount that you have paid, or most of the products does not come with the refund policy. You can only refund those items which have mentioned that those products are refundable. Otherwise, you cannot refund the product. And if you have a product ordered from here and you want to refund, and refund policy is available for the product, you can choose the product from this page and give your reason for why you want the refund for that product. And then after returning the product or refunding it, you can very easily do it from this page. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.